Joe here with the Rideshare Guy, and today we're going to demo the Uber Passenger app. So here's what the app will look like when you first open it. At the top there we have a message that if you're running errands and you need extra space, you can order an Uber XL. Below that you have a ride and a package option. If we select that package option, you can actually send or receive a package with Uber if you'd like to. We'll go back. Now below that is the Where To box. If you select that, this is how you request a ride, and we'll go over this in a little while. We'll go back. Now below that Where To box, you can see I have a couple favorites saved. I have a home address and a work address. And if we scroll down and we select the map, you'll see your location, which is that blue dot in the middle of the screen, and then at the bottom there's that Where To box again. Go back. Now if we select that clipboard icon in the top left, and then if you select your name at the top there, here's where you can edit your account. You can edit your phone number, your email address, or your password. Close out of there. Select that top left clipboard icon again. If you select the Messages tab, this is where you'll get any communications from Uber. Select the top left clipboard icon again. Now below Messages, there's the Get Food Delivery option. If we select that, this is where you can actually order with Uber Eats. Uber does have a separate Uber Eats app, but you can also order Uber Eats via the Uber Passenger app. Now below the Get Food Delivery option is the Make Money Driving option, and if you select that, you can sign up to be a driver with Uber. Alright, now there's also this Your Trips option if we select that, and here's where you'll find your trip log. And if you select the Wallet option, here's where you have the option to add Uber Cash if you'd like to. You can send a gift card from here if you'd like to. You can also edit your payment methods here. You'll see my payment methods are Apple Pay, and I also have a credit card. If we scroll down, you can edit ride profiles. And here's where you'll have your personal profile and a business profile if you have one of those. There's also a Vouchers area. Below that are some payment offers where you can sign up for some credit cards if you'd like to. And below that there's the promotions area, and if you select add promo code, you can add any promo codes that you may have. Below Wallet is the Help area. Here's where you'll find a number of help topics, and this is also where you can report an issue with the trip that you may have had. Below Help is the Uber Rewards area, and it says earn points, get rewards, become an Uber Rewards member. It's easy and free to join. You'll get points for rides and Uber Eats orders, which add up to rewards and benefits. If we slide that to the left, it says new benefits at every level. Move up to Gold, Platinum, Diamond at no extra cost just for riding and ordering from Uber Eats. You can unlock flexible cancellations, price protection on a route, and more. And you can join for free. This is just a way to get rewards for using Uber. Below that is the Uber Pass option. You can see here I'm offered 1 week free of Uber Pass, but regularly it's $24.99 a month. And what you can get by signing up with Uber Pass are savings on every ride. You'll get 10% off every Uber X, XL, and Comfort ride, and 15% off every Black, Premier, and SUV ride. You can also get free delivery on Uber Eats on orders of over $15, and you do have the option to cancel this at any time with no penalties or fees. And for those of you that use Uber a lot, this in tandem with Uber Rewards could save you a decent amount of money. Alright, below Uber Pass is the Send a Gift option. This is where you can buy an Uber gift card and send it to someone if you'd like to. Below the Send a Gift option is the Settings option. Here you have the option at the top to edit your account again. You can also edit your favorite places here. There's the Manage Trusted Contacts option, where you can add trusted contacts and you can share your trip status with them with a single tap. You also have this Verify Your Ride option. If you select to have this option on, you'll always have to verify your ride with your driver by giving them a 4-digit PIN number that they'll have to confirm, and this is a way to make sure that you're always with the right driver. There's also the Ride Check option. And what this Ride Check does is it checks to see if any unforeseen things happen during a ride, like you're stopped for a long period of time or something. Sometimes the Ride Check notifications will pop up if this happens, and if there is ever an issue, you can notify Uber. Below that is the Privacy option. You can manage your location sharing preferences, you can manage your notifications here, your emergency data sharing, or at the bottom, if you'd like to, you could actually delete your Uber account here. And below security, you have the option to sign out of the app if you'd like to. Now we'll look at the options that you have when requesting an Uber. Right in that where to box, you'll see that now button. If you select that, you actually have the option to schedule a ride with Uber if you'd like to. Now you can actually see that the home screen for Uber has updated here. There used to be just the ride and the package option in the middle there. Now there's the food option, and you can order directly with Uber Eats right from there. So this home screen will shuffle around. Now if we select that where to box, in the top right there, you'll see that plus button. If you select that, this is how you can add stops to your ride if you would like to. We'll go back. We'll select the where to box again. Also at the top, you'll see this option. We'll press that arrow. And if you'd like to, you can actually add other rider profiles here by selecting the choose who's riding button. And if you select that, you can add a profile for, say, a parent or a sibling or a friend, and you can request a ride on their behalf with your account. Now I'm going to select one of my saved places, which is that work address, as my destination. And here's where you'll see all the vehicle options that you have with Uber. So by default, it selects UberX. UberX is the base option with Uber. It's the cheapest ride that you can typically get. And to the right of UberX, you'll see that little person icon, and then you'll see the 3 to the right of that. Currently, since we're in a pandemic, you can only have up to 3 riders in an UberX. Before the pandemic, you could have 4, 1 person in the front seat, but while the pandemic is happening, you can only have 3 people in an UberX. Below that is the Uber XL option. And with Uber XL, it's more costly. These are bigger vehicles, but you can select Uber XL if you need more space. And you can see with Uber XL, you can have up to 5 passengers. Below that is the comfort option, and comfort vehicles are just newer cars with extra legroom. And you can see the comfort option is about $3 more than the UberX option, so there's a little bit of a price premium there. Now if you swipe up, you'll see more options. So there's the economy section, which again includes UberX and Uber Comfort, as well as Uber XL. There's also the Uber Green option. With Uber Green, you'll get low emission vehicles, electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles. And if we look at the fare breakdown for an Uber Green, this is basically the exact same as an UberX, but you'll see there's this estimated surcharge is $1. You pay an extra $1 for every Uber Green ride. Also below Uber Green is the Uber Pet option. If you do want to transport your pet, there's this option, and there's a little price premium attached to it. And if we scroll down, there's more options. So there's the Uber Black option, and this option is luxury black cars with professionally licensed drivers. Below that is the black SUV option. These are luxury SUVs with professional drivers. And below that at the bottom is the wheelchair accessible vehicles option, where if you do have a wheelchair, you could select this option. These are the options that are available here in Minneapolis and St. Paul, but there may be more vehicle options depending upon what market you're in. Alright, and now we'll demo requesting a ride. So first you'll select that where to box again. And that top location, that's your pickup location. And you can see that it's geolocated us at this Petco store. But you'll always want to ensure that this pickup address is correct, and you can change it by selecting that field if you'd like to. Now next, you'll enter your destination address. So we'll select one of these previous addresses as our destination. And again, you'll see all the ride options here and the prices. And we're going to request an UberX. In order to request the ride, we'll select Confirm UberX. Then we'll confirm our pickup location. And then since this is during a pandemic, you'll get this pop-up. And you will have to select the box that says, I am wearing a face cover or mask. Select Confirm and Ride. Now the ride request has gone out. The ride has been accepted by a driver. And here's what you'll see after the ride has been accepted. You can see here that the driver is 1 minute away. You'll see some information on the driver, you'll see their name, as well as the license plate and vehicle make and model. And if you would like to add some pickup notes, you can do it here, and this essentially sends the driver a message within the Uber app. If you'd like to call the driver, you have that option. And this is a nice option for nighttime pickups. What you'll do is you'll select this, and as the driver is approaching, you'll hold up your phone, and the driver will be told that your phone is emitting a light, and in this case, it's a blue light. And if you scroll down, you can also add a stop or change your drop-off location. You have the option to switch your payment choice. If you are riding with someone, you have the option to split the fare with them. You can also share your trip status with trusted contacts from here. And if you would like to cancel the ride, you can also do that here. And next to that cancel button is also the safety toolkit. And at the very bottom, you do actually have the option to order Uber Eats if you'd like to. Alright, now the driver has arrived at our pickup location, and this is what we'll see. And here's what you'll see when the ride has started. And this will pop up. These are again the options that we've already looked at. There's also this additional option, this how's your ride going option. So you can actually rate or tip a driver while the ride is in progress. The driver will navigate us to our drop-off location. Once you arrive, the driver will complete the ride. And in order to rate or tip your driver, you'll select that top left clipboard icon, select your trips, select that specific trip, and there's where you can add a tip or rate the driver. And that's it. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and drive safe. Thanks.